Hello all, welcome to Shri Creations. I am making this video very late night, so I am in night suit. I can't show you my face. Just want to show you all plazo sets pieces. These are single pieces in sale. No sizes available in these, so don't ask queries for the sizes. I'll let you know about the sizes in the video. So let's start with our first piece. This one is gajri color and the size is M. This is the embroidery on panel and on the sleeves, and this is the stitched plazo with cross stitch work. Very pretty color combination. Size is M and the price is only 1200. Next piece is in wine color. Maybe the exact color is not coming in the video, but the color is wine, and this is the complete embroidery, and the size is XL and L. Two sizes are available in this, XL and L, and this is with blue plazo, plain blue plazo. L and XL both sizes are available in this wine color, pure cotton. All pieces I am showing in cotton only. Next one is lemon color. It's coming dark in the video, but it's light lemon. This is the printed shirt. Neckline is highlighted like this, and this will come with this pant. This is the print of the pant. This is pant, not plazo. Available size is 44. 44 size is available and the price is 1200. Next one is green color. It's Rama green color. Very pretty piece. Size is 44. This is the neckline with wooden buttons, and this is the embroidery patch on the sleeves. This is in the side. And this will be paired with this plazo. This is the plazo. Cotton plazo with block printing. Very beautiful color combination. Rama green with off-white, and the price is 1400. Next one is yellow with stripe. This is khadi cotton. Very pretty piece. This is the embroidery flowers. These are the sleeves. This size is 40, but it will also come to 42 sizes. So 40 and 42 people both can take this piece. And this is paired with this beautiful pant. Embroidery on the pant also with buttons. Price rupees 1400. Next one is magenta rayon piece with this gota lining on the panel. Neckline is like this. Sleeves are like this. And it is with beautiful गरारा. Yes, ये गरारे के साथ आएगा, and गरारा is with lining, and the price is only 800. Size is 44. 800. This is navy blue color. These are the tassels on the panel, and this is the one side embroidery. Size is L and XL, both available in this. Price 1200. And this is the plazo, pant. This is the maroon color pant with this. Sizes available XL and L. Price only 1200. Next piece is an M size khadi cotton grey color piece. Very beautiful work, embroidery, circles. This is the neckline, very pretty sleeves with button, and this will come with this chicken curry pant. It's plazo, sorry, chicken curry plazo. There is thread chicken curry on the full plazo. Maybe it's not coming in the camera. This is the thread work all over the plazo. This is M size and the price is 1300 only. This I have shown you already. This is available in L and XL sizes. Next one is again magenta color. Size available is 42. This is the mirror work on the shoulders, and this will come with this chicken curry plazo, white plazo, magenta with white contrast. Price only 1000. Size 42. Next piece is also in M size. M size means 38. Grey color piece with block printing. It's very beautiful grey color, but not coming exactly in video. And this is the pant. 38 size, price only 1200. This is the pant with print. Price only 1200. Size is M. Next one is pista green color, slub rayon fabric, and this is all embroidery from neckline till panel. This is all embroidery on sleeves also, and the size is 42, and this is the plazo. This is the plazo with embroidery. 42 size and price is 1500 only. Size available only 42. Next one is orangish peach color. Very beautiful piece with block printing. Front highlight is like with sequins. Pure cotton it is, and this is the plazo, printed plazo. Size is 40 and 42. Available size is 40 and 42. Price rupees 1200. Color peach. Next one is in mouse color with foil printing. Neck is highlighted with sequins. These are the sleeves. Beautiful piece. Available in two sizes, XL and double XL. This one is XL, but also available in double XL also. And this is the plazo. Look at the printing. Wow. Beautiful piece available in XL and double XL. Price only 1400. And the fabric is rayon slub. Next one again in pure cotton and with block printing and sequins. Available size is 40 and 42. Very beautiful pretty piece with this zigzag print plazo. Size available 40-42. Price 1200. This is brown color. Next one is pretty pink color, rayon slub fabric with full embroidery. This is the neckline and the size is 40 and 42, and this is the contrast grey color palazzo with this. Price only 1400. Rayon slub fabric, price 1400. This I have shown you already, available in 2 sizes. Price is 1200 only, L and XL. Beautiful wine color with blue color palazzo. Next one is in light pista color, but in the camera it's not, it's coming very dark, with this leather work. Very pretty piece, and the size is 44. This is the dupatta, and this is the palazzo. It's a 3-piece set with dupatta, palazzo and shirt. Price 1500 only. Leather work, light pista green color. Next one is mustard color piece with embroidery on the front. Size is 42. Price is 800 only. And this is pair up with this off-white plain palazzo. Size 42. Price 800. Fabric rayon. 800 only. Next one is khadi cotton again with this beautiful print and foiling touch. Bell sleeves, very beautiful. Size is 40. And this is the pant. Yes, not palazzo. This is with pant. Size is 40. Price is 1400. Very beautiful color, beige color. Next one is paplum kurti. Size is 42, and this is the embroidery. Color is light lemon. It's coming dark in the video, but exactly it is light lemon. This is the paplum style knee length kurti with straight pant, and pant is also having embroidery. Very beautiful piece. I am wearing the same color also. This is the pant. Very pretty piece. Size 42. Price 1500. Next one is grey color kurti, very designer piece. Look at the design. Size is L. Price is 1500. Look at the sleeves. This is the flower on the one side of the sleeve, and these are the sides. This is an apple cut. This kurti is in apple cut from the bottom, and this is pair up with pure linen black pant. Very pretty piece this is. Price 1500. Fabric rayon. Very designer piece. Size available L. Next piece is green color khadi cotton kurti. It's coming very dark, otherwise the color is very beautiful. This is the neckline, and this is the trouser. Price only 1400, and size is 44. Very fine quality products I am showing you all, and the prices are very reasonable because these are in sale. Single pieces available. So take a screenshot and send it back to me. Next one is maroon color, and this is the embroidery on the whole front side of the kurti. This is the neckline, full embroidery on the band neck and the front. Sleeves are like this. size is 42. Size is available in L and XL both. And this is the palazzo, beige color palazzo, contrast palazzo. Price only 1200. Two sizes available, and this is khadi cotton. Two sizes available, L and XL. Price 1200 only. Next piece is available in 42 and 44 both sizes. This is khadi cotton with check design, bell sleeves, very beautiful, stripes in the sleeves. This is the pant with stripes, and this is also 3-piece set with dupatta. Dupatta is with tassels. Size available 42-44. Khadi cotton. Price only 1200. Very good quality products all. This is the last piece, mustard color with beautiful print. Look at the neck highlights. These are the sleeves, and this is very beautiful mustard color, light mustard color, and this is pair up with this beautiful pant. Look at the pant design. Price only 1400. Size 44. So good night all of you. Take the screenshots. Very good quality products these are. Take the screenshots and send back to me. But sizes available, only these sizes are available. Please don't ask for another sizes. I have mentioned all the sizes, only these are available. Be fast. Good night.